Alright, we're going to go with warmer tones. Turn the presence down, the bass up a bit. We'll play with the mids, turn the treble down a bit, and the gain I have set halfway. So you get exactly halfway gain. And so there's your settings. I'm going directly, bypassing all this and going directly into my guitar, which these are Russian Tesla pickups with a weird number, long weird number, I don't know what it is. And they're pretty heavy on the low mids. Wangs amplification, pretty much everything that they make is pretty heavy on the low mids. Something that I always look for in an amplifier. I like my low mids a lot. Okie dokie. We'll start with the bridge pickup. Okay. Here is the bridge pickup. Sorry about that. Here's the bridge pickup. There, that sounds more like a bridge, don't it? Both, and these are humbuckered. And the neck. Alright, so I'm going to stay in the neck. We're going to drop the mids to glassy tone. That's that, you know, what do you call that? That jazzy glassy tone with no mids. Yeah. In the bridge. In the neck. And then we'll go into the bridge. Man, that's really nice. That is just a nice freaking tone, man. Nice tone. Alright, now we're going to bring up to a woody tone, a warm woody tone. And I am in the bridge, neck. I'm in the neck pickup. Oops. Alright, now we'll do it in the bridge. then both. Ah, sucks. All right, dry and warm.